Okay, so I mean, I got bored and cleaned the wheels up. They're not the ones that's going on there, no, but I got bored and cleaned them up. So anyway, kind of an update. So I took the headlights out again because I had to do some work behind them. We got the splitter on. I'm not sure if that's how I'm gonna keep it. I gotta wait for my side skirts to come in. They should be here next week, hopefully. I think what I'm gonna end up doing with the flares is I'm gonna cut along this body line and get rid of this long piece down here, because I decided I just want the flare on top of the panel. I'm gonna keep the long panel. I was gonna take this off, make it a smooth door and all that, but I decided not to do that. We got, I don't know what these are called, canards. I forget what they're called, but they look cool. And if I was actually racing and going fast, they may make a difference, but not really. Got the, can you see it? Got the diffuser on. It's all bolted up, looking hard as fuck. The car's dirty as hell. The brakes are all in. I think what I'm gonna do is, when the side skirts come in, I'm going to adjust that, because I like the way it looks now, but if the side skirts come in and they stick out too far or too low, I'm gonna have to adjust this. But that's cool, I can adjust it. These two struts are holding on the main piece, and then I just, that one and that one, I just pull them out, push them in, whatever it is I want to do. Now, like I said, I gotta wait till the side skirts get here. I know what I'm gonna do with the flares. I already got my rims. I just ain't bought no tires or nothing for it yet. I ain't putting the rims on it like that, because I'm not ready to put the rims on. I gotta get some more paint for the headliner. The inside is still cool. I took the headliner out and shit. I'm painting it and getting it done. So it's coming. I'm almost done with how it looks. I'm not gonna paint this right here. I'm not gonna fix this and paint this and make the trim back shiny. All of this trim and stuff. Still don't have the seals for the top of the rear window. It still leaks in the inside, but there's no rust, so we're cool on that. I think that's pretty much it, the way it looks, the way it's gonna look. So yeah, there's that. And then, yeah, I'm probably gonna end up moving that piece back, like closer towards the corner lamp. I just see that I'm probably gonna have to, because I know when them side skirts come, they're pretty wide. They're not super wide, but they're wide. And yeah, so I'm gonna adjust this front lip, spoiler. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, once I get finished, man, the hood for this thing is like super expensive, but it's cheaply made. And the last thing I want is the fucking hood flying up. So I think what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if I'm gonna order a hood scoop or am I gonna buy some vents and make them functional. I'm gonna do something to the hood. I did this though. I did do this. It's not quite done. I did a little. This was dented in real bad. Like, this piece went in like that much, almost like to this first line on my finger. Wait, okay, there it is. I wasn't even showing it on the camera. I'm looking with my eyes and not the camera. But this piece right here, it was dented way in. So I did a little. I still got to finish that. I'm not done. The body work is going to be irritating as hell. If you ever done body work or know anyone who does, like, psh. This bitch gonna be hard when I'm done though. But the hood is really good. There's no dents in it except for just right here. But I'm gonna fix that because I still got to fix the rest of this bumper. This is just scratches right here, but this needs to come in some for when that lady backed into my shit. I didn't know that when she backed into it that she fucked up the headlight, the headlight bracket. This, I put 2 and 2 together. The reason why this is broke up in here is from when that lady backed into it. So this cracked this, and then when this corner lamp was messed up. I gotta learn to look with the camera. I'm gonna get better at this video recording shit. Whatever, it's like my first 10 videos. Get off my fucking back. You're not my mom. But, I got a trunk. The trunk is full of old parts, used parts, tools and shit. But it's not too bad. It's getting there. I'll tell you what though, this summer, like, yes, I'm gonna be out here, bro. I'm telling you. I'm gonna be the tag on an inside out shirt, nigga. You hear me? Outside. For real. But so anyway, I'm waiting on the side skirts to come in. Once I get them mocked up, we'll get them where they're supposed to. It's mock up, whatever, because it's not the final shit. Once I get them where they're going, adjust the front splitter, trim the flares, because I got the rubber seal for the flares, but that's not until I paint the car and put the flares back on. I still haven't decided, am I going to paint the flares or leave them black? I don't know. And all that. I already started on some engine work. Hey, Red Stripe, I fuck with you if you want to sponsor a nigga. Bumbleclot. But yeah, the car's coming. There's a few other things. I gotta charge the batteries for the GoPro. So a few things in the morning. Today's the 11th, my daughter's birthday. She's in there being a teenager in her room with her friends. So yeah. Tomorrow I'll do like a better view, better video of updates or whatever. I don't give a shit. I'm just making videos at this point. So yeah. That's pretty much what it is. The car's coming along. I still gotta fix this little scrape here, but that's gonna come with the painting. Lucky for me, the taillights are still in one piece. So that's the car for now. We'll do another video in the morning. Hey, what are you doing? You need what? You need help with your what? Alright, here I come. Alright, now I definitely gotta go. I'm gonna make another video in the morning, so I'll be back.